Imagine stepping into a world where your curiosity and ambition can shape the future. With the BSc Bridge course, you don't need any prior experience to start your journey in artificial intelligence. This course is designed for beginners, making it accessible and exciting for anyone ready to explore the possibilities of AI. Whether you're fresh out of school or looking to switch careers, this is your gateway to a high-growth industry. The path is clear, the opportunity is immense, and your adventure starts right here. Let's discover what makes AI such a powerful field and why now is the perfect time to begin. Artificial intelligence is exploding with opportunity. Job growth in AI is projected at an astonishing 150%, and freshers can expect salaries ranging from Rupee 8 to 40 LPA. But it's not just about the numbers. AI is transforming industries and solving real-world problems. From healthcare to farming and education, AI's impact is everywhere. According to NASSCOM's 2023 forecast for India, the demand for AI professionals is surging. If you want to make a difference and secure a rewarding career, AI is the place to be. Let's explore how this field is changing lives and creating new possibilities. The data scientist, also known as the data detective. This role is all about uncovering hidden patterns and making sense of complex information. Using tools like Python, SQL, and statistics, data scientists predict trends, like forecasting Diwali sales for Flipkart. If you love solving puzzles and enjoy storytelling through data, this path could be perfect for you. The mindset required is analytical and creative, blending curiosity with logic. Data science is at the heart of AI, turning raw numbers into actionable insights that drive decisions and innovation. If you enjoy coding and creating, the machine learning engineer role might be your calling. As an AI builder, you use tools like TensorFlow and cloud platforms such as AWS to develop innovative solutions. Imagine building a face unlock feature for smartphones. This is the kind of real-world impact you can have. The AI builder thrives on turning ideas into reality, using technical skills and creativity to solve problems. This role is perfect for those who love hands-on work and want to see their creations make a difference. AI isn't just about technology, it's also about ethics. The AI ethicist or guardian ensures that fairness and justice are built into AI systems. This role combines technical knowledge with a passion for ethical standards. For example, removing bias from loan approval algorithms is a critical task. If you care deeply about justice and want to fight for fairness in technology, this role offers a unique blend of values and skills. AI guardians help shape a future where technology serves everyone equally. AI professionals are in demand across multiple industries. Healthcare companies like Apollo use AI for cancer detection, while ITC applies it to crop prediction in agriculture. Finance giants such as ICICI rely on AI for fraud prevention, and ed-tech leaders like Baiju's personalized learning experiences. The applications are vast and growing, offering diverse opportunities for AI talent. No matter your interests, there's a place for you in the world of AI where your skills can make a real impact. Thrive in AI, you need a mix of communication skills, curiosity, logic, and foundational programming knowledge. Presenting ideas clearly, solving problems creatively, and understanding Python and basic math are crucial. The BSc Bridge course starts with the basics, ensuring you build a strong foundation. You'll learn to analyze data, communicate insights, and approach challenges with confidence. These skills are not only valuable in AI, but also in any modern career path. Bridge course is built on three main pillars: foundational mathematics, Python programming, and basics of data science and AI. You'll learn only the math relevant to AI and machine learning, making it practical and approachable. Python programming is taught from the ground up, giving you a great chance to master this essential language. Finally, you'll explore the concepts behind AI, machine learning, deep learning, and more with hands-on experience. These pillars ensure you're ready to step confidently into the AI landscape. Everyone's journey in AI is unique. With a quick career quiz, you can discover your AI personality and get an instant roadmap tailored to your strengths and interests. Whether you're analytical, creative, or passionate about ethics, there's a role for you. This personalized approach helps you find the best fit and guides your learning path. Take the quiz and unlock the roadmap to your future in AI. It's fast, easy, and insightful. Your journey into the world of artificial intelligence starts now. Enroll in the BSc Bridge course in data science and AI and unlock your potential even if you have no prior experience. Embrace innovation, solve real-world challenges, and secure a high-growth career. The future belongs to those who are ready to learn, adapt, and lead. With AI, you can make a difference and shape tomorrow. Take the first step today. The world of AI is waiting for you.